In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to help you write, say, either an ebook, a guide, or anything, PDF, whatever sort of digital product you want to create. So you can use Canva Magic Write, which is what I'm going to show you how to use. You do need the pro version of Canva. Otherwise, you can use the free version of ChatGPT. So first off, in Canva, I'm searching ebook multiple pages. Choose a template that you want to use. I'm just going to duplicate this page so I can use the text file field rather. So this is basically now our outline for our ebook. Say, this example is how to start growing your own vegetables. So the next bit I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate this. And then I'm going to delete the bits that it's going to let me. Yep. And so you do this for each section. So as you can see, it really helps you sort of work out what to say. And obviously, if you've got the knowledge about it, obviously that's the best way. If you're creating an ebook, create it about something that you know about, because you obviously can't necessarily always rely on AI text. But this gives you a great starting point to help you speed up the writing process and to get ideas. Obviously, you can style this however you want. I have done another video on how to sort of learn how to style it and everything like that. So go check that one out, and I'll leave a link here as well. I do have a free guide as well that can help you start learning how to create your own digital product and how to sell it. So go check that out in the description down below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.